The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine First Use Guidelines. In this video, we will show you how to use DJI Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro Cine for the first time. Preparing for flight. Choose an open, unobstructed environment before you fly. Remove the storage cover. Unfold the arms. And make sure that the propellers are properly installed. Check the battery level of the Intelligent Flight battery and power on the aircraft. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the remote controller and screw them into place. Check the battery level of the remote controller, power it on, and toggle the flight mode switch to normal. Launch the DJI Fly app to enter the camera view. Safety precautions. Check if the propellers are not broken. Propellers and battery have all been installed securely, and the storage cover has been removed. Check if the remote controller stick input is correct. Set the RTH altitude and obstacle avoidance action. Check the flight interface in the app to make sure that there are no abnormal reminders. Flying basics. Tap the takeoff icon on the left in the app and press and hold the prompt icon to enable auto takeoff. After takeoff, the icon will change to auto landing. Tap the auto landing icon on the left and hold to make the aircraft land automatically. To take off manually, pull both sticks all the way to the bottom of the controller, and then push inwards or outwards. Once the propellers are spinning, use your left hand to gently push the throttle stick upwards to manually take off. The left control stick is for adjusting the aircraft's altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. After you start the motors, if the aircraft has not taken off, push down the left stick to stop the motors. If the aircraft has taken off, push down the left stick to land. Press the flight pause button on the remote controller to make the aircraft brake and hover. You can view flight distance and speed in the bottom left corner of the app. Keep the RC antennas facing the drone during flight for optimal transmission. Taking photos and videos. Tap the photo button on the right and choose photo, video, or quick shots. The camera parameter menu at the bottom right can be used to adjust parameters. Locate the focus shutter button on the top right corner of the remote controller. Press halfway down on the button to autofocus, and press all the way down to take a photo. The record button is located in the top left corner of the remote controller. Press to start recording and press again to stop. You can also adjust the gimbal pitch and control the camera by using the gimbal dial on the left side. Use the dial on the right side of the remote controller to adjust the zoom when in video mode. Tap the album button on the right corner of the screen to view and download your footage. Smart RTH. Tap the RTH icon on the left side of the screen and hold, or press the RTH button on the remote controller and hold to initiate RTH. As long as lighting is sufficient for the visual sensing system to operate, advanced RTH will be automatically activated, and the aircraft will plan an optimal flight route to return to the home point. Storage. Power off the aircraft. Fold the aircraft arms and attach the storage cover. After powering off the remote controller, Don't forget to remove the control sticks and put them back into the storage slots. Thank you for watching our DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine tutorial, First Use Guidelines. Enjoy your flight!